Okay. All right. So we can get you perfect lips.
Okay.
This will need a lip revision. So the trick is to move the muscles. The problem is just the muscles.
Okay.
It hasn't been put back in the exact precise location. This muscle goes around the lip. It's called the orbicularis oris. I can do that for you. We will do it. So we'll give you a proper shape to the lip, and actually till the notch it's fine.
Okay.
So that the work I'm going to do only 5%. Just remove that scar. That's easy. Anyone can do that. But the part where the muscle is missing, that's the tough part. That's the difficult thing to do for him. But we'll do that. So once we do that, the lip will become into a proper shape and he'll have fullness and everything. That's the first thing. With regards to his nose, a few things are there. The first thing is the tip is not supportive. If you see here, you can see classically there's no support to the tip.
Okay.
This is the main reason why his nose is not standing up.
Okay.
So we need to give support for the tip. Once he takes a scan, I'll let you know what exactly is the problem. For cleft children, what tends to happen is the septum is the middle part of the bone. Instead of standing right in the center, it stands in the side. And then sometimes, either during the earlier surgery or whatever reason, it's not strong enough basically. And so it's like a tent without support, it just droops. So that's the issue with the nose primarily, that is mainly. But then since we are going to do that, we might as well do some other cosmetic things around the nose. So what you can do for him is, it's very broad here,
Yeah.
It's really broad, and it's like, his face is broad, but this is still overtly broad. So we can narrow that. And the other thing that will suit his face is the length of the nose. So, we can have the nose like this, but we can also have a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
A longer nose always suits faces. So we in the south always have short noses because of our racial thing, and so also the thick skin is there. This is a little difficult to correct. So the thickness of the skin will remain, but I'll try to put the cartilage and the bony framework in a different position to give him a much improved nose. There will be a lot of improvement. I'll take a scan. The only thing I might need to do is a rib harvest, because there's less support. And then if I have to give support, I can either use some artificial material, or the best thing is to use his own ribs. And so that's an extra surgery to harvest that and then to place it. But that's okay. We're doing a case like that today. There was another guy, I don't know if you just saw him walk by. He's from Chennai.
Okay.
Done his nose and lip also. I'm doing a lot of these.
Okay.
So we can do it. Not an issue for you. Time is a little bit of a problem. Today is impossible. Anyway, you stay in that hotel. We'll try to give you an appointment for tomorrow. All you need to do today is to get the scans done and the blood tests done. And after surgery, see, the lip is 1 day affair. As far as your staying is concerned, but the nose is 7-day job. So you'll have to stay here for 7 days, and then make sure I do your review on the 7th or 8th day, sometimes after surgery, and then you're good to go wherever you want to go. And
No problem.
no issues usually.
Eating all you can do.
Eating he can do even on day 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not only juice like that.
No, he can eat.
What
Because
like
he'll be able to eat rice if he wants, or fish if he wants, or vegetables if he wants. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, vegetables next. Yeah, anything soft.
Okay.
His breathing will
So I don't know his breathing status per se now, because I haven't taken the scans.
Okay.
So like I said, there's no support on the tip, but let's see what's there inside.
Okay.
I'll get to see the scan. This is all the septum for another patient, So once I see like that I can tell you correctly, sir. Right
Here
now,
also is teeth.
Sorry?
Symmetrical it'll,
perfectly symmetrical I'll make.
Yeah, teeth problem is
I
also
had
there.
one wisdom tooth.
Okay, open. Yeah, you have a wisdom tooth problem. Yeah, but let's not do wisdom teeth now with this.
Don't
Okay.
want that. At that time you can do, I thought.
I can do, but see, we are already now, it is an extra major procedure. Lip is minor to major, everything is major only, then septum, rib, no.
Yeah.
I could do, but maybe not a good idea. Then he can't eat also.
Yeah.
Here, everywhere, it's, and that's
Pain
not,
will be there, doctor.
no,
After-
pain won't be there.
Think it won't pain, doctor.
No,
Okay.
pain won't be there. We'll give you medicines and injections and pain. Pain's not an issue, but I think we'll not combine the wisdom teeth now.
Okay.
Let this thing be
It is,
done.
is it problem?
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಈಗ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ನ ಹರಿ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್
ಇದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಇದಿರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
Or 6 months later we'll do. By that time I should be also in Bangalore somewhere. That we can do easily.
Okay. Okay, doctor.
It's not because ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ 3-4 hours ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Without the teeth. It's not going to be done in 1 and 2 hours and all. Take a lot of time. ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ you should not give more anesthesia. See, anesthesia safe is 5 hours. ನಾನೀಗ 3.5 hours ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I have not even seen the scan. First I'll see the scan. Suppose 3.5 hours becomes 4 hours. And wisdom teeth, it will take 20 minutes. It will not be done in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Whatever it is, incision, cutting, removing, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 50, 1 hour extra. Beda. We'll take a scan and I'll tell you. That we can do easily as a daycare also later on. So better not to. Anyway, I'll take a scan. So in the scan, we can see your wisdom teeth also.
Okay.
The same scan. I'll let you know after that.
Lip and all
Will be 100%.
and
Lip
what about
nose.
the hair?
So the hair may not come fully.
Okay.
If you want the hair to come, then we'll have to wait for a few months and put moustache there. Hair transplantation. But it will be better than right now.
Okay.
Right now there is a very clear visible paucity of hair follicles in the region.
Correct.
After my surgery it will be better than this.
Okay.
Maybe 70, 80, 90% improvement.
Okay.
But it's not going to be like you having the same density as you have laterally.
Okay.
You will need to have some follicles transplanted to increase the density.
Okay.
That can be done as a daycare also. So maybe we can combine that with your
After
teeth
6
or something. Yeah. After 3 months at least. 6 months is better because I'm going to be working on the muscles and these are actually in the same region.
Okay.
4 months. For some patients I'm able to do that without the moustache transplantation, but it depends on the original density of the hair follicle in the region. You have a paucity there.
Okay.
So in your case, I don't think you will get a very nice moustache. You will get it better than now, but some
After
transplants,
transplant,
yeah, then it will be normal. No one will know. There won't be any scar.
Okay.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾಗೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Already after this, they can't find out that you had a defect.
Okay.
So I tend to call this as cleft conversion, you know. Yeah, because that's really the goal. As long as in today's developed world, there's a small stigma, people's mind and brains are blocked.
Correct.
They look at you with that eye. When I started, 15 years ago, I started 20 years ago, but 15 years ago when I'm seeing patients, that time without Instagram and without these apps, people are happy with 90% result. Ega no, 100% is required. Also because of the society, because of this development and everything. Otherwise this is good result, huh? It's not bad result or anything. This is not a defective surgery. These were accepted as good results 2 decades ago. Today it is not good result. 1 millimeter also people are coming.
9 months ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Because of the where we had apps where you can put your face and the app will say how you're going to look more beautiful. This is not heard of before. Now that is happening. Instantaneously people are knowing about what all can be done, how it can be done, and yeah, so okay, so we'll take your scans. You know what